Hello, Trilithic EAS is proud to announce EASyCAP Emergency Management System, an all-in-one EAS and CAP compliant device to meet all of your emergency management needs. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the hardware connections and the basic configuration of the device. I'm now going to demonstrate the basic hardware configuration of the EASyCAP Emergency Management System. From the front panel, the device displays what the system is currently monitoring. From this screen, you can see that we are monitoring 3 radio inputs and 3 baseband inputs. The interface itself is a touch screen and allows for basic configuration of the device so that you can log in with a web browser and then make a complete configuration. So basically what you need is to be able to set up one of the Ethernet ports with the appropriate IP information so that your user's laptop or PC can log in and make the appropriate configuration changes so that your system will work accordingly. The front panel also allows you to restart the unit and to run a required weekly test. Next, we're going to discuss EASyCAP's hardware connections. The back panel of the unit provides virtually all the connections that the operator is going to need for EAS compliance. We can provide up to 6 radio inputs. We also have baseband inputs for use with external radio receivers, contact closure or GPI and O's, video input and output for overlay of EAS messages, AES audio input and output. The unit does come standard with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and 4 USB ports. We can also add 2 additional Ethernet ports or an Ethernet port, telephone, and RS-485. In addition to that, we also have 2 serial ports. Additional can be added. Now I'm going to demonstrate the web interface for the setup and configuration of the EASyCAP Emergency Management System. EASyCAP utilizes a standard web browser for any kind of configuration the device may need. We recommend the use of Firefox, however Chrome and Internet Explorer are operational as well. When you log in the device, it will give you about information based on the hardware that you have installed, or you can also see the current status of any of the plugins and firmware the device is running. Over on the left side are tabs that are utilized for configuration of the device. Under Administration, you can create user accounts, license features that the device can support, upgrade the device, or simply reboot the system remotely. Under the Audio tab is where you're going to configure tones for originating events or setting up the radios and or baseband sources. Under the Configuration tab, you can set date and time, your network interfaces, how you want the video output displayed if applicable, and custom web configuration. Under CAP configuration, this is where you would set up either the Trilithic proprietary TCP feed for internal testing or the iPause Atom feed. You would also select states for the system to filter alerts for and where we should be receiving alerts from. Under EAS configuration, this is where you're going to set up what events you would like your system to monitor for, and in this case forward. Any additional EAS options such as generating your required weekly test, activating GPIs to start tests, and what locations to generate a required weekly test for. Under the Locations tab, this is also used for filtering so that you can specify what counties and states that we need to forward EAS alerts for. Under Message Delivery, the Emergency Management System has the ability to not only send EAS alerts digitally to SCTE18, DVS-168, and various middleware devices, but also keep your legacy EasyPlus units in compliance. Under the Logs tab, you can take a look at alert or system logs for any day, month, year, any combination that you would like to take a look at EAS logs for that given day, month, or year. Under the Operations tab, you can see the alert status and generate EAS tests.